A solder printer that takes print quality and productivity to a whole new dimension. High speed, high precision, universal high-end printer YSP. The Yamaha YSP is based on the high-speed multifunction YGP printer but designed for even higher solder printing quality and space saving. The YSP body is compact with machine width dimensions of 1,640 millimeters and depth of 1,640 millimeters, but it allows handling large PCBs up to 510 by 460 millimeters. The printer comes with the unique 3S head developed in-house at Yamaha. The head swings to maintain an optimal printing attack angle. Variable speed control and print pressure ensure ideal print conditions. The YSP has printing line takt of 11.0 seconds to deliver an ample work margin on high-speed mounting lines. Equipping the YSP with Max Multiple Accuracy Compensation System ensures superb printing accuracy. The YSP easily handles a wide range of stencil. It instantaneously replaces up to 6 types of stencil. A high-efficiency cleaning system included as standard equipment allows programming optimal operating conditions into the unit. Yamaha also developed a print stability control system called PSC system as a new option to deliver an even higher degree of print stability. In ordinary printing systems, the solder paste quantity decreases with each PCB that is printed, so the rolling diameter becomes too small and solder filling effect drops. The PSC system prevents this problem by checking and automatically adding the solder paste during printing. This maintains a correct rolling diameter and the specified filling effect. The PSC system also makes a real difference in ensuring stable and uniform print quality. Now let's take a look at the actual operation. The solder supply unit automatically supplies the right amount of solder during setups and changeovers. The solder sensor on the unit checks the solder quantity when the squeegee reverses during continuous print operation. The unit then automatically supplies to the calculated solder quantity. Solder supply units are available in 2 types. These are pot-type holder and syringe-type holder. Select the type that meets your specific needs. The PSC system has 3 great features. It delivers stable solder print quality. It shortens setup changeover time. It cuts down on waste solder. Ensure high solder print quality. Boost productivity while saving unit space. Do it all to higher specs and standards. The high-end solder printer, Yamaha YSP.